Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Zoom Cloud recording. So actually that's so easy to be done, and once you finish the steps you will be allowed to enable the Zoom Cloud recordings. So first you need to go into zoom.us and then sign up or sign in to your account. That of course depends if you already created an account or not on Zoom. So if you already have an account, just sign in or go into my account. Then you need to scroll down here on the left into a recording. So once you get to recording, you will see some options here on the top. They are shared with me: computer, recordings, and trash. If you don't have the pro version, you will only and you are enabled only to use the computer recordings. And those recordings, to watch them, you need to have the latest version of Zoom. So, okay, for the cloud recordings, how to enable them? You just need to upgrade to Zoom Workplace Pro. Okay, so by click on it, this window appears. So here you need to choose whether the monthly or the annually subscription. Let's set an example. Let's choose the monthly, and then you can select the number of users, either you or two or three. I don't know. It's all on you, and then you will click on continue. Alright, here you will enter some informations of you, the stress address, the zip or postal, the city, province, country, region, etc. Okay, let's set an example. Uh, okay, New York. Alright, per example, Paris. Uh, I don't know, Paris also. Okay. Three region French, just for example, personal account here. I don't know VAT number. I don't know what is VAT number, to be honest. Okay, let's change the country and set it Morocco, for example. Then continue the payments. Here you will choose either credit or debit card, PayPal, and in other options. Here you will fill the informations, your card number, CVV, and the others. Then continue to order review. And once you pay and once you upgrade your Zoom into Pro, then you can and you enable to watch and to use the cloud recordings stuffs. Anyways, that's the video, and thank you so much for watching, everyone, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones. See you next video.